Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today I'm going to be giving you a first look at a dash cam that was sent to me by a company named Mangoal. This particular dash cam that's specifically designed to integrate into my 2024 Acura Integra A-Spec. It looks very factory in the way that it mounts up behind the rear view mirror. It has a front and a rear camera. So the front camera is 4K. The rear camera is 2K. Both cameras have Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, and those sensors are supposed to be pretty good at low light conditions and transitional light conditions. So we're gonna be interested in seeing how those work. This system also has some pretty cool features like GPS route, speed, and location replay. It also has a parking protection mode, and it comes with a 128 gigabyte SD card and some tools to help you get installed. I get a lot of companies sending me requests to take a look at products and do reviews on my YouTube channel, and I ignore almost all of them because it's very seldom something that I'm interested in doing. I had recently been looking at a few different dash cams and was thinking about putting one in my Integra. So when these guys contacted me, I thought it was worth taking a look at. These cameras are listed at $399 on their website. There's a few different options, and I think you can get down to around $199 for a lower end model. Mangoal has provided this dash cam system to Brady Adventures free of charge so that we could install it and give our honest opinion of it. I'm going to be giving you my opinions on what I like, what I don't like, and how well things work, and what to look out for. I'll also be providing an affiliate link in the description below and a discount code, and those will help the channel out but are no additional cost. So if you're interested in the product, please use those. It definitely helps us out. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can see all our upcoming videos where we will be installing this and testing it out and doing some drives and showing you how everything works. And then our final video, we will give you a review of what we think about this. Let's get inside this box and see what we're working with. Just shipped in this plain box here, and it looks like the actual packaging is right inside. Mangoal. Right out of here. Not sure which way to open this. There we go. All right. Pretty decent packaging, actually. So here's a little app troubleshooting thing for getting front and rear video, and some decent instructions. Here is some troubleshooting for app connection issues. And here we got a couple zip ties for something, and this looks to be the please read user manual. Yep, this looks like it teaches you how to use the app and get access to the camera videos and things like that. Okay, now we get down to the nitty gritty. All right, what do we have in here? Cable. So I think this is the cable that is going to plug into your factory harness and provides a connectivity between the cameras and the factory wiring system, and that's gonna give the system the ability to power itself. I have no idea what this is. Okay, we got a couple fuses in here. We've got a couple replacement body clips. You'll frequently break those when removing panels. Got a handy little panel remover tool. That'll be nice to add to our kit. I will also post a link in the description to a couple different panel tool sets that we use. They're very inexpensive. And here we have our 128 gigabyte little SD card that comes with it. This is a GPS module. So if you want to have that GPS information, you have to hook this up to your system. The GPS module is optional, and you plug that into the camera, and it looks like they want you to run that down to the dash. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that or not, but it is definitely a cool feature. Looks like this is our rear camera. This comes with a little 3M tape that will go here. Looks like it has a piece already on there, and maybe if you need to reposition it, you have an extra piece. This camera looks like it has a ton of wire. This is one of the things I was worried about. So the rear camera, you have to wire it all the way up and hook it up into your front camera. And this, you mount it on the interior of the car, and then you can angle this out the back window. I did check, there's a nice little plastic location. That's where I'm planning on mounting this. I wasn't too sure about the rear camera, but I thought it would be pretty cool if I could get it in there without too much trouble. I mean, running this wire will probably be the more complicated part of it. And then what do we have here? All right, so this is the camera housing. So I think this is going to mount up in the front of the car like this and replace the current plastic housing that's up there. And right here you can see the plastic factory housing, and this looks to have basically the same shape. It's a little bit larger, but it should mount right up there behind the mirror. Looks like it might sit a little bit lower. Here's the camera, has a little protective cover on it. I'm gonna leave that up there for now. So here's the power plug. Looks like this power plug plugs into here. And then here is the GPS connection. And here is the rear dash cam connection. So it's all pretty straightforward. It looks like we have the ability to power it on and off here, and there's maybe a ability to take a picture with the little camera button. So that's kind of interesting. And look, that's where our memory card is, so we can easily take that in and out. So there you have it. That's everything that comes in the box. We have our front camera, our rear camera, GPS module, the Y connector that is going to connect into the factory harness. We've got the memory card, a couple extra panel clips just in case, a couple fuses. Where these would go is right in here in this power wire. So if something goes on with the car or the system, that's fuses in there. Got a information book on the GPS tracker, a couple troubleshooting guides, our user manual for how to use things, and a little panel tool. I am pretty excited about getting this in the car and trying it out. We'll be installing this next, so keep an eye out for that video where we do the installation. And then once we get it all installed, we'll be doing some drive videos and our final review on what we think about this thing. There you have it. There is the Mangoal 4K 2K dash cam camera system for the Acura Integra. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let us know if you have any questions about this installation or anything else we've got going on. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.